Item number 173. Right here, what we got is something that I'm quite glad that we didn't get done in time because it's obviously. Can you hear me now? All right, sorry about that. So we got the Ballard Beavers. We got the Ballard Beavers entry into the Blacksmith Wars. We got a beautiful, functional. Gear active. This is a beautiful piece. I'm actually quite glad they didn't get it done on time because it's really, really cool. Okay, so, you know, based on past experience here, I think that we ought to open the bidding at $375. What do you think? We got $375. We got $400. Anybody want to step up and pay $400 for this fine wall hanging trim hammer? Come on now, it's worth at least $1,000, so, you know, $375 to $400. Got 400. Okay, 425. Anybody want to be 425? It's cheap. Come on now, please. Pretty please. I'll get down on my knee. Got it. Where we got? Oh, perfect. All right. Who wants to be 450? 450. Really? Come on now. Come on. Okay, we got 450 right here. 475. 475, come on. Okay, we got 475. And 500? 500 is, you know, kind of a magical number there, kind of a milestone. So let's hope these guys beat $500. $500. 525. It's only money. 525. You'll make more. 525. 550. All right, we got 525 going once.
Come on, Grant.
Going twice. So, 525.